Our next guest is an entrepreneur who decided to return to her first love that eventually, Lord have mercy, saved her a few coins while decorating her new home. Joining us this morning is founder of, I hope I get this right, Alisia, Kula Art, Alisia Jarrett. Morning, Alisia.
Good morning, Dahlia.
Tell me I got it right. If I didn't, pronounce it for me.
It's Kalula.
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 Ah, there was something missing in the spelling. That's why. All right, my love. Um, I know you've always been artistic. That's undeniable. But tell me about the visual art.
What to tell you? It really just came naturally. Like you said, like, um, I was about to decorate my new
Yes?
apartment. I've been living here for a while, and the walls have been bare. And I wanted to put some color in, and I went searching for some art.
Mm-hmm.
And Dahlia, it was out of my budget. So I said, you know what? Let me create some. Let me create what I liked. So I bought some canvases, I bought some paint, I bought some paint brushes, and I just started creating.
Look, I
And
told some kids on Sunday, man, creation comes out of a need. It comes out of a lack of resource,
yes,
challenges, criticism. And here we are. And I'm looking at the work, Alisia. Did you
oh
do
yeah.
art before?
In high school, regular art, nothing like this, Dahlia. This shocked me as well. This really shocked me.
Oh my
And
gosh.
yeah, I've never done anything like this before.
No,
It's so
no.
funny how much you can get from yourself when you stay still. That's what I tell people, because I never really sat down and actually just painted like this. I've
Right.
painted at home before, like just hobby,
Yes.
but this here is the first that I'm creating anything like this.
So talk to me about
So,
what inspires it. I'm seeing masks behind you.
well, I love masks, and I actually have a mask collection that I not on purpose,
Mm-hmm.
but I came here on vacation and found peace and just stayed. So
Yeah.
um, everything is in Jamaica still.
Mm-hmm.
And I wanted mask. I wanted back my mask. And I said, let me just start, painting mask.
Yeah.
And that's how the mask collection came. And everything that I've painted is really African inspired. I've been dabbling in African spirituality and just, getting back to the roots. So, and I love colors. So everything that I've been doing has just been inspired by Africa, I suppose.
Alicia, I'm listening, but listen, you know me, I love Africa and I love colors, and
Yeah.
I couldn't do what you just do. There's no way I was
Don't say
gonna.
that, Delia. I don't have you taken up a paintbrush. I've said it to people. Have you tried? Have you taken up a paintbrush? And art is not something that's any form of perfection. If you look at this is some crazy drawing. I'm like, I am shocked at
No,
this.
no,
I would have
Alicia,
told you that I couldn't do this.
it's not crazy. I'm looking at the combination of the colors. I'm looking at the composition of the work. It no, I'm in awe.
Listen,
I mean, I know you did the Curvy Caribbean Women Conference. This
yes,
is something else. Uh,
totally, totally.
and I know it started out as okay. This is a need. I have to decorate the walls. I'm going to do something that I love, but
Yes.
it's grown.
It has grown because I'm a Facebook tete. I tell people I'm always posting. And when I did the art, the ones that I did for my home, I put it on Facebook, and everybody was like, "Oh my God, that's so good, and you should start selling." And I just kept painting every day.
Hmm.
Even after I decorated the home, I just started painting and posting, and persons started ordering. And I was like, hold a second. Well, this is really cool because I really love doing this. So that's how it started, Delia. No plans, no nothing. And now I'm going to have a website and have a little business on it, I suppose.
Yes. And as you're telling me now, someone saw it on Facebook and asked to place them on T-shirts. No,
Yes, and
Simone,
so
look at that. Look
yes,
at that.
don't it?
No, Alicia.
I'm looking at it, so I'm not even I am not even seeing me. It's really really funny, but I mean because I absolutely love them as well.
Oh my gosh.
So it really surprised me.
So now you have Kalula Art Limited Edition T-shirts.
Yes.
Talk to me about that.
Well, again, a friend of mine saw those the art on Facebook and said, "Listen, I have a t-shirt business. I would love to put some of your art." So I gave him the ones I had it already in my home. So I
Wow.
sent him those pictures, and now he has placed them on t-shirts. So you can actually get them ibiubu.me.
Yes.
Those are where the t-shirts are.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah.
Alicia, listen. Man, there are no limits. There are no limits. There are
To
no limits
anyone.
to
We're
anyone.
we're limitless, limitless.
Yes. So of
Yeah.
course we can find you on Facebook, but seriously now, where do I find Kalula Art? Do you have a page? How do we how
Kalula Art right now is on Instagram. So it's KHULULA Art. Oh,
Kalula.
perfect. So that you can find me on Instagram.
And you can find her on Instagram, and people please place your orders here in Jamaica because you're overseas now.
Yes, I am.
Yes, so wherever you are in the world, you can order some Kalula art. Look at that. Phew. Alicia, amazing, amazing.
Thank you,
Thank you so
Delia.
Listen, just yesterday, man, I was talking to Jeffrey Azan about purpose and that there's no age limit to when you unlock
No,
your purpose.
once you have breath.
Yeah. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
Founder of Kalula Art, Alisia Jarrett. More and smile on the other side of this break, guys.